कहां तो प्लेयर्स ओवरसीज टूर्स पर मेमोरेबल रिकॉर्ड्स बनाने का सपना देखते हैं, मगर यहां तो यशस्वी जायसवाल ने ड्रॉप कैचेस का ही रिकॉर्ड बना दिया है। एक कैच ड्रॉप हो जाए तो लगता है चलो हो जाता है, 2 चांसेस मिस हो जाएं सेम फील्डर से तो लगता है शायद उसका दिन ही खराब है, बट 4 दैट टू इन 1 टेस्ट मैच। Jaiswal clearly decided catching is too mainstream. In fact, that's now the joint most by an Indian fielder in a single test. History was made, just not the kind he would want to frame in his living room. 3 were spilled in the first innings itself, और कोई ऐसे वैसे प्लेयर्स को लाइफलाइन नहीं दी थी उन्होंने, but the list included batters like Ben Duckett, Oli Pope and Harry Brook. He wasn't just dropping chances. He was handing out golden tickets to England's top batters like some over-enthusiastic cricketing Santa. In total, those lifelines accounted for over 250 runs. मतलब 100 किया मगर उससे ज्यादा रन्स तो कैचेस ड्रॉप करके ही गिफ्ट कर दिए। Shubman Gill placed Jaiswal in the slips. He spilled easy chances. He put him at gully. He dropped a sitter. Jaiswal was moved to the ropes. He still couldn't hold on to a catch. भाई लगान मूवी के बागा की याद दिला दी जायसवाल ने तो इस टेस्ट मैच में। जायसवाल सीम टू बी ऑडिशनिंग फॉर अ ब्लूपर रील। एक तरफ बुमराह को बॉलिंग में सपोर्ट नहीं मिल रहा था और दूसरी तरफ इजी कैचेस ड्रॉप हो रहे थे। And this isn't a one-off bad test in the field for him, but the Indian opener is a repeated offender. 2024 BGT सीरीज का MCG टेस्ट याद है? तब भी जायसवाल ने 3 क्रूशल कैचेस ड्रॉप किए थे and India went on to lose the series. Deja vu, but a heartbreaking one. Yes, Jaiswal was the main culprit, but he wasn't alone. India dropped a total of 6 catches in the first innings alone, the first time since 2019 that they shelled 5 or more chances in the first innings of a test match, according to CricViz. So, was Yashasvi Jaiswal single-handedly responsible for Team India being humiliated in Leeds? And was he the main culprit of throwing a remarkable batting effort down the drain? Let's just say, if there was a Man of the Match award for the other team's MVP, Jaiswal would be holding that trophy right now.